Yeah.
Oh, didn't bring my pet up.
Blades.
On me.
Oh, why did I go that way?
I mean, we could all just juggle the aggro if we stay near him.
Yeah.
It's just careful of it.
I don't know, that feels dicey.
Right.
Because then what are you gonna do when blades come? Run the fuck away?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put it next on me for some reason. 4 stacks.
4 stacks.
Damn it.
Wait, what are we gonna cleanse at? 6?
6 or 7.
Before my mech goes out, please.
Just tell us when. Is it 5?
My.
You want me to do
What's
it
my
now?
counter? Yeah, go and just cleanse it.
Okay.
We're doing alright on the damage.
Cleansed.
6x.
I just cleansed.
Blades. Yeah.
Who's it on? On Abra.
Me. Watch the egg.
My blades keep blinking in and out of existence.
Why is he touching me? Why is he
It's
touching
the
me?
charge. It's fine. It's fine.
Nick.
It's just his line charge.
Aggro heal too strong.
It's gonna start doing the jump soon, probably.
What percent are we?
Blade
60.
60.
Me? No, not me.
Why are you going all the way out there? Please don't kill me.
Can you get through Nums?
I'm stunned. Hold on, I can.
Okay.
I like made a wall and then I was like, this is not a smart. I think I walked
not
through
coming
it.
in.
Be on Cow Dog.
What stacks are we on?
6.
Let me
6.
cleanse.
Yeah, you're going cleanse.
Sure, but you're not even at 50%. We've only got one more.
Cleanse. Well,
We're just gonna have
Blades?
to ramp up the damage.
Oh my
I
god,
don't know what that is.
stop!
I'm stunned.
Oh, fuck, that's 6 again.
It's at 6 again.
Yeah, it's definitely like all the.
Yeah, I think the charge mechanic gives him stacks too.
Alright, well, let me try to DPS too.
I don't know, like just going
I have
everywhere.
an X. I don't know.
It's fine.
The 8.
Oh god.
Cleanse that, cleanse it, cleanse it. Oh, fuck
We
that
don't
too.
have.
This is our last one. Oh my god. This is our last.
When he's at 38.
I'm
we
gonna
can
full
burst him, just
DPS
don't take
if
blades.
Noms can keep you alive.
Try and stay near him in case we juggle the.
I'm helping.
I took Arcane off my bar. I feel bad.
It's 7 already.
I have the X. How does he have so many?
good.
We're not in them.
I don't know.
He's building them over time or other mechanics like
It's back,
shit.
it's cleaned again.
Okay.
He's
Back to 0.
On
yeah.
me. Okay.
just
the-
bonus healing in case reasons.
Are the pets maybe in them and that's giving more? Do you have Arcane
Maybe it's at,
Evolution
I
by
think it's like
chance?
after 50% he starts
Just keep
building.
DPSing.
We might get this. 15%?
Do you have Arcane, Abra? I took mine off my bar for Angel.
Yeah,
Can you
it's
do
on
it?
cooldown now.
Okay. Go, 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 go.
He's killing Facade. It's gonna jump to someone else.
He's a jump.
Gonna go
Was
to
aggro
Leah.
next?
Leah,
Leah?
Leah. Shit, there's a thing.
It's okay, just. I'm healing.
Apple.
It's on,
Yeah,
apple.
yeah,
It's on
yeah.
apple.
No!
Oh, what is that?
3%.
What is that?